Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to apply scientific number format in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that apply scientific number format. Now select from the number. Now going to the format menu option. Then click on the number option. Now click for the scientific option. That's it. Then again another number select. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for the number option. Then click for the scientific option. That's it. Then I show apply scientific number format in Google Sheets. Is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for